In this chapter, we'll focus on some of the advanced configurations that are provided to you through Spring Boot. These configurations are designed to provide us with flexibility when we configure and build our applications. One of the things we'll see is how we can use random configuration values within our configuration files. And this can be useful when testing or when working with something like a REST API to develop a key. We'll also see how to use profiles to conditionally select the configuration for our application. And this is a very important concept. In the past, you'd often see application logic built to make your application perform or behave a particular way for an environment. And with Spring, they have created the profile, which is a very useful tool to allow us to say, hey, these particular beans are used when I'm running in this environment, and these particular beans are used when I'm running in this other environment. And that nice feature has been enhanced within Spring Boot, and we'll take a look at that. We'll also see a way that we can inject the properties from our configuration files. So we've seen in the past that when we specify different program arguments or we specify different properties within a Spring application, they're available via the expression language because they are actually built into the IOC container using various features. We'll just take a look at a flexible way to obtain those properties by injecting them into our beans. Finally, we'll take a look at how we can execute some code when Spring Boot starts up one of our applications. And this is a frequent requirement. You'll see that you'll need to do some pre-work before your application actually begins to execute. So we'll take a look at some interfaces within the Spring Boot library that help us out.